Okay, now we're going to open this beautiful one, the L Impressionism Skull Panda version 2 plushie. This one I just got this from last week. It's a new release. I'm a little bit behind. We're in Australia, but who cares? So with this one, now let's just open it. I'm not going to cut the video. I'm just gonna do it all in one full go. Okay, let's go open it. So with this one, because it's a bigger box, the version 1, the Winter Symphony, there's only 6 characters in it plus the secret, and then this one has 9 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1 secret. So characters, their names: Teakwood, Blossom, Pond, Lightning, Windflower, Dawn, Mist, Dew, and Amber. Of course, bias again with Dew because it's blue, and I think maybe Lightning. Okay, let's open it. Look at the color, it's like pastel color. Okay, open first box. Let's go. Ta-da. Look. L Impressionism. I don't know if it's pronounced as Le Impressionism or L Impressionism, so it doesn't matter. Whatever. Okay, let's open the first box. They're the same size. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Which one is this? This is I think Blossom. The color in the box and color in person is a bit different. With a little hat. The hat should be like this. It says, look at the hat. There's an embroidered name saying Skull Panda. And this one, the eyes are closed. Look at the color. Is this velvet? No, I don't know. Ta-da! Okay. Let's get the card. Yes. Blossom. One down. Okay. Second box. Ta-da. Okay. Let's open it. Ooh. It's a little bit dark in here. Okay. Open. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. There's 2 yellow colors. So this is Dawn. As usual, the eyes, the ones that has their eyes open, you can move it. Boom, boom, boom. This is a yellowish color with a little ribbon in front. Cute. Okay, the card. Dawn. Okay, that's it. 2 down, 6 more to go. Okay, next. again. Okay. Open. 3, 2, 1. That's a good one. This is Pond. Pond as in P-O-N-D. Pond. Some. Look at the eyes. So green. It's squished. Pond. Not focusing. Okay. That's it. Okay. 6 more. Let's go with it. Back. Okay. 4 box. A little bit of sniffles though. Okay. That's what we're getting. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Which one is this? Almost the same color as the. This one is Windflower. Oh, Chloe, look at this. Windflower. It's cute too. It's like pinkish color. Windflower. See, almost the same color. This one is a bit darker and this one is a bit lighter. Alright, next one in front. Okay. Open. Let's go. Okay. 5th one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one is the one that I'm a little bit doubtful if I like it or not because of this ruffle thingy on it's like a paper thing. This is teak wood. Actually, this one looks a bit better. The other video that I've watched doesn't look good. This is all crumpled. With these papers. It's okay. Teak wood. Did you like it? I don't know if I like it, but it's okay. Really. Okay, let's get the card. Teak wood. Is that how you pronounce it? Teak wood. Teakwood. Teak wood. Okay, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 done. 4 more to go. Let's go here. 6 box. Boxes are easy to open and some are hard. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is mist. Look at this nice one at the back. Oh. Oh, you can remove the clothes too. Okay. Missed. This is my 10 actually. Missed. Okay. Missed. Okay. Up onto the 7 box. Two more to go. Beautiful. Alright. Let's open it. Okay. It's a bit big. Which one should be? Maybe this is lightning. Yeah. Open. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No. This is Amber. Amber. Stitched. Yeah, actually. You know what? Yeah. I was like worried that the quality will not be that good because it has been in the box for a while. But this is good. Oh, you can take it off. Anyway, I'm not gonna take it off. Here you go. You can remove this part, but I'm not gonna take it off. Okay, here you go. Amber. Oh, Amber Holcomb, my favorite American Idol contestant ever. Amber. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's put the box. 2 more left. Alright, so far we got 6 characters. No, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters in here. Alright, second to the last box. Let's open. Oh, we're doing great, guys. 13 minutes. I told you it's gonna be very quick. I don't know how to edit this. I'm just probably gonna post it like this. Can't be bothered. Not a videographer. Okay. So which one we still looking for? So lightning and dew. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Dew. Oh no. Lightning. This is lightning. This is cute. It's like purplish blue color. Look at the color. Wow. Meow, 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 meow. Eyes are closed as well. So there's like 3 characters at the moment that their eyes are closed. Lightning. This is my favorite so far. Very cute. Lightning. Okay. And finally, last box. Is this gonna be Jew or the secret? That's probably Jew. Okay. I can see blue. Voila! I like this one too. It's a bit dark blue. Darkish blue. Of course, there's no secret, but who cares? We're never gonna have a secret. Right? Look at them. That's it. Do. And that's it, guys. We opened them all. And which ones are your favorite so far? But for me, these two are so cute. I like them. So lightning and dew. Then the same colors. There you go. I like this one too. And this one. Okay. So now we got them all out. Happy days. That's it for my Panda Series 1 and Series 2 unboxing video. So hope you liked it. And yeah. Tell me what you think. Will you get it? But you're probably gonna have a hard time to like find this one. So anyway, it's gonna cost you a lot of money now because all the resellers are selling it for how much? I think more than $80 per piece. And this, you can just get this for 42 retail. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next unboxing. It's probably just gonna be in the next few minutes. Bye.